What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am 6 feet tall and I just fit in the trunk of a 350Z, so don't tell me it's not a good daily driver, because it is. You can kidnap people. Tell anyone, it's good for groceries. As you guys saw from the title and for the thumbnail, we are going to be wrapping the roof of the 350Z today. We're going to be doing a gloss black finish. I got the vinyl and stuff right over here. Man, let's get right into the video. Now we're gonna get into the prepping stage. I'm gonna clean the car, clay bar the roof, like get rid of any wax and stuff. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Almost forgot to put up the windows. Don't forget to put up the windows. The car is now clean, so I'm gonna get to the next step, which is gonna be to clay bar the car. I got this cheap clay kit from Walmart. So we got a good detailer. Well, I don't know about good, but we got a detailer there. And most importantly, the clay bar itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack open a new one for the boys. Here we go. Oh yeah. Alright guys, here we are. We got some stuff on the roof that should... Alright guys, I am nearly done. I just finished up the clay bar and now I'm wiping everything down, making sure that everything is off the car. We're good. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's perfect. And I also did this side piece just because it was there and it's gonna be touching the vinyl, so that's what I did. So check it out guys, I pretty much just recorded a whole bunch and none of it's saved, so sorry about that. Buddy, you wanna help me? Wanna make a video with me?
What do you got?
Like when you did Mr. Mechanic video?
What do you got?
Huh?
What are you gonna do? What are you looking for?
So as I was saying in the whole part that didn't record, what you want to do is get 70% alcohol and put it in a rag and basically wipe down all the areas that the vinyl's going on and anything around so that it doesn't get picked up by the vinyl. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Put it on a good old rag. Did you touch it?
Go ahead.
Alright guys, just one more step before we finally get to the real stuff and lay down the vinyl itself. Better view of what I did. So I don't know if you can tell, but before I had it like down to here, the beginning. When I put it just a little bit closer to the roof metal part where the vinyl's going, so that I can slide my blade across here and it won't cut the rubber. So yeah, safety. Hashtag safety. Alright, moment of truth. We are gonna be laying the vinyl. Can you please be quiet? Whoa! Finally laying the vinyl on. I got this two little magnets to help me because my brother right here isn't helping me. Why would I do it? Oh, bam. Thank you, magnets, for the help. That is really all we need. And with a trusty blade, you must start cutting. Had a little bit of a complication, but it's okay. Nothing we won't be able to fix. There you go, getting better. It's really just about repositioning it. So he thinks it's ugly, and this is what we're working with right now. Nice and shiny, all glassed out in the area. It's like from here on, the area that we're gonna be covering. And this is the thing, but you can see the line where the roof starts. So we're good beyond that.
Do a video of two of my toolbox. You're gonna get more views.
I don't care about that. I don't know what's going on down here. Oh, that's the tape. That's the tape line right there, so it's fine. It's already getting dirty. That's crazy. Because now that it's all glassed out, we can pretty much start squeegeeing it and laying it down so that it doesn't move. And that is why we have soapy water for our roof. Where do I start cutting? I don't know, I feel like I want to cut it, but then I don't want to mess it up. I think I'm going to do it along the back here. Alright, now I left a little space here so that I can tuck the vinyl down into the hatch. But I'm going to... that far, I'm gonna go over to the other side and start cutting. Bam! I'm a professional! Ay, ay, ay. Let's take you guys over to the other side, maybe you can see a little bit better. Alright guys, this is what we're working with right now. I just have one side left, which is this one. But since you saw the progress on the other side, I'm not going to record this one. Check it out guys, we are finally done. And these are the results. I am done. Look, all you can see now is this little dent, but that's a dent in the roof, so I mean I can't really fix that. But other than that, look at that. Woo! I am so in love. And don't mind that. This is a sun strip. It's actually a window tint that we put on the outside of the windshield, so it's already like the sun's pretty much killing it right now. And the tape actually took some of it away, like right here. Don't worry about that. focus on the roof. Let me get on the chair. Hey, what's up? What's up? But first time doing a wrap. This came out awesome. You can see we tucked everything nicely in here. Other side. Bam. So if you need your car wrapped, hit me up. Especially the roof on a Z. I got you. What do you think? What do you think? Come out here. Look at it. Look at it. Stop playing with your cat.
What's up?
What do you think?
Yo.
You like it?
I see some bubbles.
There's no bubbles. That's one dent.
No, I see bubbles.
There's no bubbles.
I see a bubble.
That's just my damaged roof that's 20 years old.
No, it's a bubble.
No, I tried. Eso es un
You see?
cosito.
It went down. That's a bubble.
No, it gets dirt. That's
That's a
on there.
bubble!
It's dirt!
I like it.
Alright, I'm gonna heat it.
I kind of like it.
You kind of like it? Alrighty. Alright guys, final step. I got this cheap heat gun that hopefully doesn't melt. That we're gonna heat the vinyl with. Just to make sure that it sets in place and nothing moves. There you go, just wanna go all around the corners. Alrighty peeps, we're done. I just heated down everything and tucked all the corners nicely with heat so that they don't come off or anything. Alright guys, comment down below what you thought of this. If you want to do it yourself, would you do it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know what you think. Like I said, it wasn't a very in-depth tutorial on how to do it. I just showed you like kind of myself doing it and show you that it is possible without taking anything off. If you do want to see a detailed video, I'm going to link it down in the description. That's where I learned how to do it, at least. Also, all the tools I'm going to link down in the description so that you can get everything and do it yourself at home. I did it outside. It wasn't ideal because I kept getting trash on the car. Right now it's getting dirty again from this tree behind me. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff down below.